Let's solve this amazing rational equation for the real values of x. We have 25 in the denominator of right hand side. To cancel this 25, I need to multiply our equation by 25 both sides. So let's multiply 25 in the right hand side. Now we can cancel denominator 25. Now 25 is 5 square. So we will write our equation 5 square times x plus 2 over 5x plus 9 whole square plus 5 square times x plus 2 over 5x plus 11 whole square equal to 2. Now we can multiply these numerator written squares. So I will write 5 times x plus 2 over 5x plus 9 and then we'll write whole square plus 5 times x plus 2 over 5x plus 11 whole square equal to 2. Or we will write 5x plus 10 over 5x plus 9 whole square plus 5x plus 10 over 5x plus 11 whole square equal to 2. Now we are going to use substitution. Let's say our numerator 5x plus 10. Let me write here. Let's say 5x plus 10 equal to suppose a. So 5x plus 9 will be a minus 1 and 5x plus 11 will be a plus 1. So we will write our equation in a over a minus 1 whole square plus a over a plus 1 whole square equal to 2. Now we have to solve this equation. We know one algebraic identity which says m square plus n square can be written as m plus n whole square minus 2 times mn. So if I will write our equation a over a minus 1 whole square plus a over a plus 1 whole square equal to 2. So this is m and a over a plus 1 will be n. So we have to add both a over a minus 1 plus a over a plus 1. Then we'll put whole square. This is m plus n whole square minus 2 times mn. So I will write a over a minus 1 times a over a plus 1 equal to 2. Now we have to simplify this bracket. A square plus a square minus a. So we'll write 2a square in the numerator. In denominator we have a minus 1 times a plus 1. Using difference of two squares formula, we will get a square minus 1. Then we have whole square minus 2 times a 2a square or a minus 1 times a plus 1. We will write a square minus 1. And if we will write 2 in LHS, then it will be minus 2 equal to 0. Now this is one quadratic equation in 2a square over a square minus 1. So let us assume 2a square over a square minus 1. Suppose this is equal to y. So our equation will become y square minus y minus 2 equal to 0. Now we have to solve this quadratic equation. Let me write here y square minus y minus 2 equal to 0. Let's use method of factorization. We will split our middle term minus y as minus 2y plus y minus 2 equal to 0. Now from first two terms we can take y common. So y is common in the bracket. We need to write y minus 2. From next two terms we will take 1 common and we'll write y minus 2. RHS is 0. So our factorization will be y plus 1 times y minus 2 equal to 0. Using product 0 rule, we will write either y plus 1 equal to 0 or y minus 2 equal to 0. So from here we'll get y equal to negative 1, and from second equation we'll get y equal to 2. So we have y equal to negative 1 and y equal to 2. Now we will put back our y. Y is 2a square over a square minus 1. So I will write 2a square over a square minus 1 equal to 2 first. Let's cross multiply. 2a square will be equal to 2 times a square minus 1, which will be equal to 2a square minus 2. Now we will subtract 2a square from both the sides. We will get 0 equal to minus 2, which is not possible in real mathematics. So y cannot be equal to 2. Rejected. Now we have to solve y equal to minus 1. Here y is 2a square over a square minus 1. So I will write 2a square over a square minus 1 equal to minus 1. Let's cross multiply. 2a square will be equal to 1 minus a square. Now we will take minus a square to the LHS and write equation 2a square plus a square equal to 1. We will get 3a square equal to 1. After dividing by 3 both sides, we are going to get a square value, which will be equal to 1 over 3. Now we will take square root both sides. So a will be equal to plus minus 1 over square root 3. Now we can rationalize denominator. So we can multiply numerator denominator by square root of 3. So from here we can write a will be equal to plus minus square root 3 over 3. Now a was 5x plus 10. So I will write here 5x plus 10 equal to plus minus square root 3 over 3. Now we will take 5 common from left hand side. So I will write 5 times x plus 2 equal to plus minus square root 3 over 3. Let's divide both sides by 5. So we will divide LHS by 5, RHS by 5. So this 5 and 5 will get over. We will write x plus 2 in LHS equal to plus minus square root 3 over 15. Now we have to subtract 2 from both the sides to get our final answers. X will be equal to minus 2 plus minus square root 3 over 15. Now we can take LCM also, and we will write x equal to minus 30 plus minus square root of 3 over 15. So we have two real values of x, minus 30 plus square root 3 over 15 and minus 30 minus square root 3 over 15. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Bye bye.